Good day, Red Rover fans. This is a 1970 Land Rover 109 Series 2A 5-door. I know, quite a title, but that's what we've got going on. So we have a full frame-off restoration, about 2 months away from completion, and it has a brand new chassis along with a brand new firewall, brand new all 5 doors, and lots of other things. About 70% of this car has actually been replaced, and all of this orange and black has all been sandblasted and powder coated. That's powder coat, all that orange and black. There's a Jeep bumper that we modified to fit on the front here, so we have a winch package along with all the LED lights and shackles and everything you'd want. Those spotlights on the front are 350 watt LED Crees, and that's crazy powerful. And then we also have the Jeep halos here as well. They're going to be pretty awesome, as well as LEDs from the from Defender. That's a real Defender LED light package there. We did add the incandescent lights in the center as well. That's on a separate isolated switch, and but these ones here are where they were for the 1970. We just added that whole grille assembly and got rid of the plastic grille and added the metal one and the extra set of lights. So we're good. Crazy on lights up here. So still has the 4-cylinder original Land Rover engine in there. Top end rebuild with that. The transmission has been gone over as well. So yeah, this engine is capable of running without a lead additive and so on, because we have the new Stellite valves added in there. So we're just doing the wiring right now. So running all that together, setting that up. Over there we have a battery cutoff switch, so in an emergency or you're just leaving for a while, you just undo that key and the whole car is completely shut down. Nice and safe. So yeah, this is looking really smart in there. And then to the back we have the deluxe seats, front and back, all brand new, with the sliding tracks on both sides for the front left and right seats. There is a locker in that center one, locker hatch there, locker hatch there. Nice thick rubber 1/4-inch floor mats that I've custom made as well. Really nice stuff. And then the switchboard there, we're gonna start building up our switches. So we're gonna have a key ignition and push button start right there. And then we have all of our dash switches being installed right now. So we have a really lovely custom made labels by a girl down in Naples, Florida, who's doing an exquisite job of laser etching those labels exactly how you wish them to be. So we have our spotlights for the front, main beams in the middle. This is on the main harness for the outside tire wings, front bumper lights, interior dome lights, back bumper lights. So that's looking really smart. Got my electrician on that. A 2-speed windshield wiper motor back under this panel. So there's 2-speed windshield wiper motor there. Also brand new. Leather steering wrap. It's nice. A little detail. Going back, we also have the leather leather hand grips here, here, and here. Also custom designed myself. Overhauled these hinging brackets, so all 3 of these seats are on their own hinge point, and the outer 2 hold down the center, and they have these little catches here that release right there, and the whole thing swings forward and out of the way, so you have loads of room in the back, a lot like the more modern Defenders as well, just about exactly the same. So really quick to pull that out of the way. There's your interior dome light, LED 30 watt. We also, around the perimeter, you can't see it because it's tucked away, but where that black line is, all the way around the car, is a multi-colored, multi-setting LED light strip. So you can have solid, whatever color you want, or sort of a party style, I guess. A little hatch under there. Just working on those LEDs there. The back door there is also custom inner skin diamond plate, as well as to match the floor there. So that's 3 layers of aluminum on that floor. So the original floor, and then we sandwiched it with 2 other sheets of aluminum, one's checker plate on top. All of this has been completely overhauled. Even these window tracks are galvanized window tracks, so we got rid of the old rusty steel ones and upgraded to the galvanized so they won't rust. And so we thought that was just basically a must. And there's the back. So that's a rear, the rear bumper and the spare tire mount is a complete package with the front, so it's matching. That spare tire mount is completely isolated from the rest of the car. All you do is lift that, pull that, and you got your swing spare tire mount doing all the work right on that pivot point. So we modified the heck out of this too. We chopped off quite a few inches to make this line straight, and through bolted and tapped into the galvanized Land Rover chassis. And there's your shackles and LEDs, tow hitch receiver as well, same as the front, also has a tow hitch receiver. And yeah, loads of LEDs. Very simple to do. It is petrol, and everybody will know that. Can't mess that up. All this glass has been removed, of course, all brand new rubber and gasket. Here's the roof. There's your top. Separate panel for the heat. And then, of course, because it's the top, you have the 4 vents, louving vents for dispersing the heat. And this was my design to add reinforced diamond plate on the backs of the seats, because the backs are quite a bit higher, maybe 30% higher than the originals. And a bucket, of course, rather than a convex shape. So they're very snug and cozy and comfortable. This is a reminder because that's our color we're going to use, the same as the front bumpers. We're going to add custom-made rock sliders, go along the bottom of the door sills there. We're right in the process of doing that. Big C channels. So we'll match that in powder coating from the front and the back bumper there as well. So of course it is a low gear, 4-wheel drive, rear or front. And yeah, like I said, we have loads of accessories ready for you. There's your emergency cutoff switch, where the old steering column was. It used to be right-hand drive. I have converted it to the left-hand drive for the United States. And new radiator, new everything. New water pump, new distributor, new fuel pump, new... oh gosh, lots. Just about everything. Air horn. Aftermarket pump, that's a whole lot better than the Land Rover one in my opinion. And of course all new master cylinders and slave cylinders for everything. I'm just building those vents right now. That's your air conditioning. And yeah, it's pretty smart. See, even the swivel balls assemblies, that's all brand new. All brand new swivel balls, brand new race bearings and bearings,
Even the tie rods, all brand new tie rods. This tie rod has been replaced to be a bit beefier. We felt it was better for a longer, because it's such a long run from one side to the other, we made a thicker diameter. The leaf springs, super tough. Old man Emu shocks. And of course, General Grabber AT2 tires. They're pretty good all around. Grippy tire. I like them. And that's Rescue. That's what we named them. We had our inspiration from the U.S. Coast Guard rescue vehicles, and so in sort of in honor of them, we're designing this sort of tough rescue style design that we've come up with. I hope you enjoy it. It is for sale. Our asking price is $115,000. It's negotiable. Just give us a shout, and please let us know what you think. And like I said, we're about hopefully less than 2 months away from completion, and good to go anywhere in the world. Thank you very much, Rad Rover fans. Have a good day.